Our rooster is trying to do the mating dance with everybody. And now Mitch is trying to do it with me. I don't know what's gotten into him today. Hey! No, you're not gonna let me pet you? Well, fine. What's wrong, Tony? Be nice, Angel. Yo, be nice. They keep wanting to peck at the babies. Hey, Mitch. I know why they're following me, because they want me to get them some scratch screen. So I gotta find their cub. And my daughter's been putting stuff in it. Just dump it in there. Let me get them some scratch screen and I'll be right back. Let's go. Look at them. All standing there waiting. Look, and there's a cup in there. So she put a different cup in here. She put a Georgia cup in here. Alright. The one little baby said a cock-a-doodling. I'm not letting them out until I clip their wings. I didn't get to yesterday, unfortunately. So it will be getting done today. Because after their little flying stunt, that's going to be a thing that's got to get done. See? Now they're all happy. They're all happy. See ya. This squirrel hurries up and runs across when he's going above where my chickens are. Oh, that's crazy. I can't see where he went from here, but anyways. He's cute. Y'all come running to me like I got something for y'all. I just came to see what y'all girls and guys are doing. What are y'all doing? Huh? What? Y'all need more food in y'all's feeder? No, y'all got plenty of food. So what do you need? What'd you come running to me for? Tell me. What do you want? And all the babies are in the coop? Are y'all taking over? Are y'all taking over the coop? Huh? I gotta get in there and clean it out in a little bit. And when I clean it out, I don't want y'all in there pooping it back up. I got one in the nesting box. Alright, girls, I'm getting ready to leave for a little bit. I'll be back. Okay? I'll be back. She looks so bad. She's molting so bad. Look at her feathers on her neck. Oh my gosh. She looks so horrible. Her neck feathers look horrible. Why are you pecking my camera? Ugh. She's missing all her neck feathers. They're broke. They're coming out growing, but they look horrible. A lot of my other girls look good. She just looks horrible. Look. Come here. Violet. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Let me zoom in. What's wrong with your... I don't want you to go away. I wanted to look at your neck. Come here. I bet if I have food, you'd come to me. Y'all go dust bathe. I see y'all making y'all some holes to dust bathe. So go finish dust bathing. Bye, girls and guys. Bye, babies. And look, I'm walking away. And here they are following me. They come running after me. And I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. See, she wouldn't let me look at her, but she wants food from me. Look, here they come. All coming. I'm leaving, girls and guys. I don't have nothing. Okay? Go eat y'all's feed. I'm sure y'all still got scratch green out there on the ground. I can see some. Y'all just go eat what y'all got. Alright? Yes. Go do what y'all been doing. See ya. So, the big chickens are in their coop for the night. They are all content. They're all on their roosting bars. And they are getting ready to call it a night. I'm gonna lock this real quick. And then these babies are in for the night too. There's a little rooster with his sister. And there's one behind her that you can't see, but there's two girls in there also with him. And then of course you got all these little babies in here.
There's a nice little rooster.
See? You got all these little babies. So,
My little
but anyways, there's one rooster in there with 4 hens. But, they're all put up for the night and they'll be let out again tomorrow. Look at them coming to the window. The little door. Anyways.
They want that out. That's what it is.
My chickens are really, really molting really bad. Feathers everywhere. I mean everywhere. My Lavender Orpington is like molting bad. She's losing feathers. My light Brahma, it's just ridiculous. There's feathers everywhere. It just looks crazy. I mean, you can't go anywhere in my yard without seeing feathers. So, anyways, I am going to refill their water real quick before I go in. And that's it. I'm going to call it a night. See ya.